Here are a few quick tips to successfully manage your design contest or engineering challenge on Cad Crowd. First and foremost, ensure that you made a complete project description. This screencast and video outline explain how to create a full project description for your design contest. If you feel that any information is missing or that additional information would help make designers more effective participating in your contest, that may be something you'd want to include. In addition, selecting a generous prize budget amount will have a direct impact on both quantity and quality of the design entries you receive for your contest. In addition, you'll want to rank entries and provide designer feedback, ideally on a daily basis, to the participants in your design contest. This link here explains sharing a reasonable amount of feedback with designers and how to do that. Finally, you'll have 7 days to select a winner, so make sure you start reviewing designs right as the contest ends to make sure that the contest can be concluded within that 7-day time frame. If you still have any questions for us, please let us know and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you.